And the war of words between Aam Aadmi Party and Centre over vaccines shortage in the national capital continues. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has slammed Centre for allocating only 3.69 lakh of the 1.34 crore vaccine doses that have been ordered by the Aam Aadmi Party government. Manish Sisodia also said that BJP's allegations of Delhi government ordering only 5.5 lakh doses of vaccines is absolutely incorrect. The Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said that the Aam Aadmi Party government had placed orders directly with two vaccine manufacturers in the country for 1.34 crore doses to vaccinate those above 18 years of age.
केंद्र सरकार के ये तय करते ही हमने इन कंपनियों को ऑर्डर किया कि हमें दिल्ली के लिए 1,34,00,000 वैक्सीन की जरूरत है। केंद्र सरकार की तरफ से चिट्ठी आई कि दिल्ली को 92,840 कोवैक्सीन और 2,67,690 कोविशील्ड ही मिल सकेंगे। ये जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी झूठ बोल रही है कि दिल्ली सरकार ने 5.5 लाख वैक्सीन का ही ऑर्डर किया, दिल्ली सरकार ने 1,34,00,000 वैक्सीन का ऑर्डर किया था।
देखिए, केजरीवाल साहब को राजनीति के अलावा कुछ और सूझता नहीं है। उनके विधायक, उनके मंत्री दिल्ली में ऑक्सीजन की कालाबाजारी करते पकड़े जाते हैं। उनको जितने भी वैक्सीनेशन चाहिए वो वैक्सीन कंपनी से सीधी बातचीत कर सकते हैं और अपने ऐप के माध्यम से उसको लोगों तक बेचे या उसको लगाएं या फ्री करें, उनका काम है। तो वो अपना काम निभाएं जो करना है।
Anisha Mathur is reporting from Delhi. Anisha, what is the situation as far as these vaccination centers are concerned here in the national capital? Is there a stark shortage of the vaccines, and who is to blame for this, the centre or the state government?
Well, Chaiti, the Delhi government had initially announced when the vaccination process began on May 3rd that only for about 4.5 lakh vaccines are available in the capital city. And that is why vaccination at the moment is going to be limited. In fact, if you see, only 77 vaccination centers were opened. Several of them were, there were instances on several days when by about 5 p.m., by about 4:30 p.m., the doses at the vaccination centers ran out. But right now we're seeing this war of words between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Manish Sisodia, in fact, even tweeted yesterday, took to social media, put out the letters that had been sent by the Aam Aadmi Party to the Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech, as well as the letter that had been sent by the Health Ministry to the Delhi government, which excuse me, seems to indicate that the Delhi government had issued orders, purchase orders for 67 lakh Covaxin and 67 lakh Covishield, which comes out to about 1.3 crore vaccines in total in the last week of April. However, the letter from the central government seems to indicate that Delhi was allocated only about 3.2 lakh vaccines. So while the documents that Manish Sisodia is showing seem to indicate that the Aam Aadmi Party had given purchase orders, but since those purchase orders are dated in the last week of April, the question is who exactly is responsible for this bottleneck and what exactly is happening. And the vaccination has become a huge political football here, with even the Congress party coming out and blaming the BJP yesterday for the kind of vaccination policy that they've taken up. The BJP, of course, has defended its vaccination policy, even on affidavit before the Supreme Court, saying that we are leaving it to the states to purchase and differential pricing is not a problem because the states can handle it. So a lot of things are being said about the vaccination policy, but on the ground, if you see at vaccination centers, people are facing trouble in getting bookings for vaccination. It is something that all over social media and in public is being discussed, that getting a booking is very, very difficult. Back to you.
All right, Anisha getting us that ground report and the situation as it stands here in the national capital. Thanks for joining us for those details.